Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the LBP token, the LaunchBlock token. Now this token is getting a brand new essential exchange listing starting today, January 4th. We're going to go over the information on the LaunchBlock token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So LaunchBlock, the decentralized launchpad, which provides all users with the ecosystem to early access stages to projects whilst maximizing the benefits of decentralized finance, decreasing expense, and providing significant opportunity. LaunchBlock is the one-stop shop for all projects launching and users accessing a launchpad. It's an ERC20 token. Ticker symbol is LBP. Name of the token is LaunchBlock, all one word. Total supply of this token is 10 billion tokens. And circulating supply is 145 million. And this token, according to their Etherscan, already has 1,358 holders. And there is a fully diluted market cap of $11,535,200 and 18 decimal places on this token. So there's a couple different ways to get this token. First of all, just got listed today, January 4th at 3 p.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called BITMART. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is download BITMART from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search LBP, and then simply just buy the token. Or you could fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. Go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your ETH for the LaunchBlock token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, LaunchBlock.com. They also have a Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there at LaunchBlockCom on Twitter. And they have a Telegram at LaunchBlock on Telegram. So LaunchBlock.com empowers new startup projects and creates a platform for collaboration, participation, and connectivity. The LBP token derives its utility from three key purposes: decentralized autonomous organization access, loyalty, and governance. So demand for LBP is driven by the natural incentives to utilize the three key purposes of LBP. Currently, it's on the ERC20 blockchain and is an accepted form of payment focused on launching a minimum of 12 launches over the next 12 months. There's non-saturated approach to launching, high quality over high quantity. DAO governance will dictate the future of how projects are launched and what volume. And fees will be used to fund the LBP DAO and thus are ultimately under the control of the community and exist to directly benefit them. So LaunchBlock.com, the decentralized digital asset fundraising platform, providing all users and DAO members an ecosystem to access early stage investment opportunities whilst providing the services and utility of decentralized finance. By removing the barrier to entry and providing full educational and background information on the projects, we decrease time and expense for users searching for significant opportunities. The platform operates as an all-in-one solution for blockchains projects launching on Ethereum, with support for additional chains such as Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Kronos, and others. So this would be on the roadmap in the future. Supported by the LBP token, providing access for DAO members and users to participate in activities on the LaunchBlock.com platform. Opportunities based on their tier level within LaunchBlock. Now, LaunchBlock is breaking the boundaries of accessibilities at the early stages of investment, providing a decentralized and user-friendly platform for all users and DAO members, providing access at a later stage of opportunity where you would usually see the likes of venture capitalists and other private participants, and some of those in early seed rounds and private rounds. With the decentralization of opportunity, we create long-term partnerships with projects we recognize, support, and see potential for lasting success. Now, if you go to their webpage, LaunchBlock.com, you can also find a document section, and that'll take you over to LaunchBlock.com/docs. And that is a 20-page paper, has all sorts of information about the token. So it's a utility token. It's also governance, DAO features here. So we already went over the metrics, but the token allocation here, we got 8% of the tokens going to seed round, 8% private round, 0.35% public IEO, 10% liquidity, 13.65% economy fund, 20% user engagement, 10% advisors and team, 10% play to earn, and 20% foundation reserves. So there's a vesting schedule for these tokens. There's also going to be farming options. It's an incentive program. There's going to be different tiers, up to 5 tiers of different percentages you can get, different annual percentage yields. And there's the liquidity mining. They go over understanding the governance. So then there's launches take place on the platform, digital asset token launches, key platform developments, funding of future activities, including community incentives, and community pool initiatives are all things that the DAO can decide on. There's going to be premium NFTs. And then there's a very lengthy roadmap. Basically starts out with all the stuff on the platform launching. And there's going to be exchange listings. Hubi Global is going to be another one besides BITMART. There's going to be team hires, services, upgrades, liquidity mining, farming, updating the white paper, influencer campaign, multi-chain compatibility. They're going to be listed on KuCoin, Uniswap, MEXC Global. I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there if you guys don't have an account. And then it's just going to go on from there. There's going to be tons of stuff on this roadmap. Check out the full roadmap, or the full white paper, basically by going to their webpage, LaunchBlock.com, and clicking on the document section. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes, especially that MEXC Global one where LaunchBlock will be listed. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.